to open up your discotheques, yeah? Discotheques, yeah? Discotheques, yeah? Feeling guilty, but we don't want you to feel guilty because God is everywhere with the bitches, man. No God, no bitch, no bitch, no God, no God. In the beginning, God created what? Discotheques, yeah. God created what? Discotheques, yeah. Discotheques, yeah. Discotheques, yeah. God created what? Discotheque, 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 discotheques, yeah. Bitches, yeah? He had to make the bitches because the bitches had to make other bastards and bitches. And we are here together. And all of us are made by these motherfuckers. Now, are you ready, motherfuckers, to walk out on the floor now and start to dance?